Hi guys, this is Aisha Tochigi. I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting for such a long time. I know I haven't been posting my videos. I was kind of busy, but like no excuse. But I'll start to be posting more often so that you guys can see different kind of videos and then enjoy my YouTube. So today I'm showing you guys how I do my Valentine makeup. This is how I did it. I use a pink shadow and an orange shadow so it can brighten up my eyes, and it's kind of cute, girly, but yet elegant and beautiful. I hope you guys like it. Although I still don't have any Valentine dates, but that's okay. Oh, do you all have a crush? Because I don't, and I need one. Do I? Oh, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you click on the thumbs up button. And also let me know in the comments if there's any type of makeup you like to see, if there's any kind of hairstyle you like to see, or any questions you thought, like just give me the comment so that I can go through it and then I can use those comments for my next video. Okay, I love you guys, so let's do this. So this is how I look like without my makeup. This is my first time showing my no makeup face, my natural face, in entire social media, so I'm really kind of shy. But yeah, let's get ready. So first I'm starting with moisturizing my face. I believe this is very important before putting on makeup. Like, it really changed the way it's gonna look at the end. And I also moisturize under my eyes because it gets so dry, and when it is dry, like, you can really tell that it is dry, and I don't want that on my face. So I'm gonna spread that cream, and I'm also putting a different cream on my cheek and my lips. Now this one, the Dior Primer. Oh my god, this is my one of my favorite products. It is so good. So I put it on my cheek, my nose, my forehead, my chin, wherever you want to hide your pores or you feel like there are pores. Yeah, you just spread that and hide it. Oh, acne. Now spread. Now I'm using this dark concealer. This is really good. It's from Team Flores. So I'm gonna put it on top of my eyes like this. Yep. As you can tell, it really deepens my eyes, giving me the natural crease. I really love it so much. And I'm gonna contour my nose with it. Can you tell the difference? Look. Oh my god, my nose is kind of pointed. Wow. Why do I sound like a minion? Wow. Okay, now I'm using a concealer under my eyes, my nose, my cheek, wherever I feel like to conceal it. So as you can tell, I'm putting a lot on my cheek because I have like a reddish dot, like a spot on my cheek a lot. I don't know. I had this ever since I was little. And yeah, I'm just gonna cover that with my concealer. Wow. I'm putting a lot of concealer. I just realized that. This is so weird looking at yourself putting on a makeup. Okay, now the Beauty Blender. This is my favorite. It's so soft. It's really nice. Make sure you wet the sponge before using it, okay? And now the foundation. I always use foundation that matches my neck color. Not with your face color, your face skin, but the one that matches with your neck. And as you can tell, I'm putting very lightly. I don't like putting on like a heavy makeup. I don't know, I just don't feel comfortable with it. So I put very lightly on my skin and spread. Spread. Oh my god, this is the reason why I take forever with my makeup and getting ready. Are you also like this? Because I'm always singing, dancing during my makeup, and I take forever, seriously. Okay, now blend them out. Okay, so this is the concealer. It's from MAC. It's just so good. You can mix different colors and try to match with your skin. And now I'm using the light one to make a highlight on my nose. That's how I do it. Hey, look. My nose is pointed. And I put the remaining around my eyes and the T-zone. Yeah, the T-zone. This is a setting powder from Fenty Beauty. This one is really good. And Rihanna, I love you so much. Like, your products are the best. So this Fenty Beauty setting powder, it smells good too. Oh god, I love it so much. As you can tell, I'm putting a lot because I love it so much. Okay, now put everything on your face. Oh my god, I don't know why I always do this. Anyway, contour. So I put it around my eyes, like my crease. No, around, sorry. Top of my eyes. And my nose. Again, I'm contouring with the powder. Yes, this is a point. I'm doing this sad face because I dropped my eyeshadow and it kind of broke, so I'm kind of sad. Now I'm using the orange shadow, and then this one is a much more deeper than the first orange. So like it deepens and gives like a kind of a graduation. This is the eyeshadow palette that I was using during the Miss Universe competition. That's why it says Japan. They told us we should always put like the country name on any of our things that we have, so that it doesn't get mixed up with the other girls. And I'm putting that color around my eyes and spread. And using this strawberry wine color is so cute. Now blend, blend, blend. And I'm using this light pink color so I can brighten up my eyes. I love the shimmer in it. Okay, now I'm going under my eyes using like an orange shadow. I don't know why I do that with my face when I put on makeup. And the cream pencil liner. Cream eye pencil, I should say. Okay. Anyway, so that's how I do it. I like putting eyeliners very naturally, not so obvious. So that's how I always do it. And after that, I use like this kind of an eyeshadow blender to blend the eyeliner, so it makes it more naturally. So this is my eyebrow. This is how I do it. Oh my god, I'm so serious with this part. Guess what I'm singing? Yay! I get so serious with my eyebrows. So tell me guys, what are your plans for your Valentine? Do you have any plans? I don't really have anything to do. I guess I'm gonna see my best friend. She's my favorite person to do nothing with. Like, I love her so much. I'll see my best friend, hang around, maybe eat some sweets, pretend like the Valentine is a very nice day, even if you're single. Yeah. You know, I feel like Valentine is all about love, and it doesn't have to be in like a relationship where you see your boyfriend, girlfriend. No. You can spend your Valentine with who you love, like your family, your friends. Yeah, it's not only about lovers. So now I'm using this white mascara, and this is like the base. So I put that white mascara before putting my black mascara. I'm sure everyone does this kind of face putting on mascara, right? I put a lot of mascara. Now look, voila! And now the eyeliner. This is how I'm gonna put it. I think it's so hard to put on eyeliner. I don't know, like I never get used to it. Why is it so hard? Okay, now the contouring. Contour, wherever you wanna make it look sharp. Contour. On my forehead too. It's important, I think. Haha, don't forget to contour a double chin if you have, because I have it. We should be lovers sister. It's my favorite song. Now I'm using the brush to brighten up my face. And this one, again, Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, Rihanna, you're the best. I'm highlighting my face right now. And I'm using this eyeshadow, like a kind of white creamy eyeshadow, to give extra highlights on my nose. That's me. I thought I finished doing my makeup. I was feeling good, but thinking, I'm missing something. What did I miss? And I remember my lipstick. How could I forget? So I'm using a decorated lip liner to give a shape. And this is a Shoe Wimla lipstick. This one is really good. It gives me the pink, soft kind of look. And I'm using the Victoria's Secret lip gloss. Look at me! I'm so happy. Finally, I'm done with my makeup. Yay! Can't wait for the Valentine. Hi guys, so this is the result. I came much more closer to the sun so you guys can see it. This is how my eyeshadow is done. Can you see it? I'm really liking my makeup. Like, it makes my eyes much more wider. Can you and also I like the lip color. It's really fit my eyeshadow. I hope I can find my date for my Valentine.